Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Star Citizen error code 60012. The error reads, Lobby error. No game server is currently available to join. The region is possibly at capacity. Sorry, please try again later. As per our research, the error comes when players try to log in or connect to the game. It may also appear after a disconnection from a server. Once it starts, players are unable to get back in and keep receiving the same error. According to our research, this error may be caused due to server capacity issues or temporary server-side problems. But in some cases, it may also be related to local files or account login issues. First, try power cycling your device along with the router and check if the game needs an update. If so, then update the game and check if the error still appears. If the error still comes, then try logging out of the launcher, then perform a character repair. Once the repair is complete, log back in and check if the error is gone. If the error still persists, then remove all JSON files from the live folder. Once deleted, verify the game files and then launch the game. Now check for the error again. If the error still comes, then try logging into your RSI account using a private browser. This may help you get the authenticator code. Once done, launch the game and check for the error. If the error still persists, try switching to a different region from the game settings. Many users have shared that changing the region helped them bypass the error. So give this a try and see if this helps you too. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.